Hello, welcome to St.Albert Dodge. My name is Tommy. Here we go. We have a beautiful 2022 Grand Cherokee Overland L. We have a front sensor. We have a hook. We have adaptive cruise control. You can set distance in the highway. We have a beautiful batch of Jeep here. We have 20-inch tire Bridgestone alloy wheel with a nice engine on it. Very smooth ride. We have a power folding mirror with the nice black and chrome. We have a Grand Cherokee badge here. We have a smart key system, lock unlock without using the key. It comes standard factory with tint, a light tint. We have a beautiful tail light here with a double muffler with the power foot opening in the trunk. Lot storage, nice chrome bash. We have a power folding seat as 50-50 seat, 7-seater. We have storage in here, full-size spare underneath, and another power foot closer. Let's check out the inside. Hello, here we have a really beautiful interior here. We have a Mcintosh sound system, nice and clear, and really good sound system, good music. We have a power folding mirror, memory seat with a little bit of wood grain. We have a power lock, cruise control, really safety feature. We have a blind spot indicated, traction control, speeder control, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. We have a heated seat, we have a cooling seat, we have a heated steering wheel, power steering wheel. We have a trip pedal, so you can go a little bit faster. We have a wireless charger, lots of charger here. We have a USB, auxiliary input. These come with the rear camera, the back rear camera, so you can check the rear when you're driving. Navigation, park assist, lots of feature, lots of cool feature. Nice comfortable seat, panoramic roof. We have a beautiful 7-seat, lots of room to get in and out, and one of the best luxury SUV have. Information, my name is Tommy from St.Albert Dodge. Please give me a call, 780-993-9669. Thank you.